So beautiful people, you see what my colleague is doing for me? So the way he video this direct way. So he says that he wants to video it the way I do my own video. So he said he wants to see the difference, you know. So let's see. Because the video is just straight, you know. Me, I normally do my video this way. So he wants to try it now. You know, it's using his phone, beautiful people, and this phone is so beautiful and bright. The camera, his phone has 3 cameras. It's so beautiful, guys. So comment below, guys. When you watch this video, comment below if this video, you know, my colleague just helped me to video is more brighter than my own video. So I will know the kind of phone they have, the camera that I'm going to buy, you know. So I took the name of the phone already. This cost 300 euro. 350 euro.
What's that say?
The phone.
And the one blues.
Yeah.
Not. One blues not.
350.
Yeah, 100, 350 is one
Yeah.
blues not.
So my
4K videos.
Ah.
Yeah, and that's nice. It's better than the iPhone 12.
Yeah, you see? The phone, beautiful people, the phone is so beautiful, you know. The camera is so beautiful, you know. So, the phone has 3 cameras. The box is 350 euros. The name of the phone is OnePlus.
OnePlus not.
OnePlus.
Not. Not.
OnePlus
Not.
Not. Ah, okay. It's so nice.
You can see in the Google OnePlus not.
Yeah, I love beautiful people when you do camera, it should be bright.
I buy Amazon, you know, Amazon website. It's from China.
But to me, it's for the brightness and the beauty of the phone. For the money, it's not expensive, eh? Yeah, there's really a lot of quality, you know, with the phone. For the money, it's not expensive because some phone costs like 1,000 euros. Sometimes you buy it and it's not so bright. You know, so the thing is the phone.
Mr. Bingo, I changed the camera, you know, and now you are, Professor Bingo.
Yeah.
Yeah, you are inside channel of my sister Susanna.
Yeah.
What for tell her? You are supporting? What you are
I think
supporting
that's,
for your?
For Susanna,
Yeah.
I am free to support her
Yeah.
for everything he's going to set up, like a new restaurant or
In from Nigeria.
or doing something in the same way.
Yeah.
Because you know here we got so much skills, and we
Professor, I told you this one.
with
Professor. He
long
was in French university, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's perfect.
with long performance,
Yeah.
and we hope that in the future Susanna will be a great woman.
Great girl.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. God bless you and your family, and bless also Mohammed has been doing this video.
Yeah.
Mohammed, beautiful people, guess what? You have to help me to thank my colleagues. Mohammed and also my colleague that just prayed for me. They are the one that made me to do this video. Really, I didn't want me to do it, but Mohammed said, no, Susan, come on.
Always, I be cameraman and Susanna. Always, I will be cameraman and Susanna.
Every time I video, you know.
Yeah.
So, I'm so grateful. Thank you so much, Mohammed. Thank
Yeah.
you so much, Bingo. I'm so grateful. God bless you, your kids.
Thank
and
you,
your
sister.
family.
You too.
Bye.
In Jesus' name.
You say
So,
bye.
beautiful people, here is it. This is the small spoons, as you can see. The small spoon goes here. We are arranging it, the knives here, the fork here, and the big spoons here. But this is not going there. And there's one fork. One fork, yeah, this fork also is for the kitchen. It's not for the old people for eating. So you see it is different, guys. See it, you can see the difference. This is for the old people for eating, and this is not going there. Is it not? Yeah. So this comes there. This is for the kitchen. You see, this is here. So this is for the old people. So here is it. This is for here. So we are going to clean them for the machine, and what next we are going to do is